So every time you update one setting, you have to come back to the start and do it again for rest of the things. So let's say you did set UID earlier, and then you have to do access token and then separately for MPIN. And this is equity amount is for doing the equity trading. These are the swing tradings, not intraday trades. Swing trade means that it will take month or so to book it, and maybe a week. There is no defined time. So whenever bot scan a particular share, if the score is above 10 and there is a bullish signal on that particular share for a particular day, it will attempt to buy for the corresponding amount, whatever amount you will provide it here. So let's say you set it to 10,000, and if find a share which is of about 1,000 at that point, so it will buy 10 shares for you automatically without even asking. And same the same share if in future if it goes below 0, means a negative scoring, then it will sell it at whatever price. If it is whatever price, if it is 900, then there will be loss. If it is like 1100, 1200 or so, then there is a profit. Then this is for equity. Okay, there is a catch in the equity amount. So let's say if you want to do sell and buy both, then you can enter any amount, of course non-zero. If you set it to 0, then neither the buy nor the sell will happen. So if you just want to disable the equity trading, just set it to 0. By default it is 0. So by default there is no equity trading enabled. You have to manually set it to an amount to enable it. So 0 means no trading, no equity trading. Then 1 means you just want to sell shares in the portfolio which are not suitable to hold. So let's say you logged in on a particular day and then found, okay, or you are not sure which shares you should sell off. So you can, if you have set it to 1, then it will do all the sell, and bot will not do any buy, only the sells when the equity amount is 1. If the equity amount last digit means the rightmost digit is 9, then it will not do any sell, only buy. So let's say market is very down, and let's say you think that, okay, if I sell more, then it is going to be not so good. Like you are thinking from a long-term perspective maybe. So in that case you can set it to 9. The bot will not sell, it will do only buy, and any other amount it will do both buy and sell. There is one more number. If you set it to 2, then it will only notify you to buy or sell. It will not actually do a trade, it will just send you an alert, and then you can take the trade manually or so. So this is what it is. Okay, once again, 0 means no equity trading, 1 means only sell, 2 means only notification on buy and sell both, 9 means not 9, but basically any number which has a last digit 9, then it will do only buy and not sell, and any other amount it will do both buy and sell. Okay, this is about the equity trading. Now this is the commodity trading here. So you can search, you can set it the commodity trading for natural gas and the crude oil. Ideally you should set a number 7. Why 7? Is because based on my research in past, 7 has been the best number. So basically if you set it to a very high number, let's say 10, 12, 13, 10, 30, whatever, then let's say then your risk exposure goes very high. So right now I would recommend it to set it to 7 only. uh, if the lot size is super high, then you also need a lot of margin as well, and also risk is very high. If you set it to too low, let's say 1 or 2, and then what happens is that the bot will quickly find the limits up and it will try to square off the position. So let's say the number is 1, it will sell a particular option, and in the next term, let's say if the bot thinks that it is going other way around, it will square it off. Ideally, what happens is that bot sells 1 2 3 4 many number of lots, so that profits can be better at the end of the day. So this is what, again, one more thing, if you set it to 0, there will be no trading for a particular script. So if you set it 0 in natural gas, no trading will happen. Same if you set it to 0 in crude oil, and no trading will happen. So I would recommend to set a number 7. 7 has been the best number so far. So if you enable 7, one more thing, it also always do the option selling, not the option buying, because the the algo is totally based on going with delta neutral and eating the premium for the day, and also watching along with the day, so that if there is any adjustment required, it can do so. Then that is also the reason why you need higher numbers like 7, so that adjustment can be made better. So this is for options trading in commodity. There are other options as well, like in gold and silver, which requires higher margins, and like one gold mini options require about 3 lakhs of margin, or maybe 2.5 lakh. Same goes with silver, which requires 4 lakh margin or something like this. Anyway, and same goes with NSE derivatives as well. So they require 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh kind of margin. So those can be configured as well, but that's not in this option as of now. So